Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter exercise 1.3 sixth sum. Using the set symbols, write down the expressions for the shaded region. This Venn diagram is given in the question. We have to express what type of expression is this. First one is y part. This is x set and this is y set. The shaded region is only y, that is except that common part of the x and y. So how we express this one? This is y difference x. That is y difference x is, we have to take the common part, leave this common part, the remaining parts in the y term, that is y set, that is the shaded region. So you have to express y difference x is the answer for this Venn diagram. And then here, this is x set and this is y set. Except these two sets, the remaining all the parts region is shaded. So x union y the whole dash, that is complement of the region is shaded. So x union y the whole dash, that means the complement of x union y, except that x and y term other region are shaded. So x union y the whole dash. Next question, x part is first one, except that common part, the remaining part of x and y are shaded here. So how we express this shaded region? X difference y, this part, and this part is the same one. So union y minus x is the second part. So these two parts only shaded. So we have to express like this, x difference y and union y difference x. This is the answer for this third shaded region. Let us see the seventh question. Let A and B two overlapping sets and universal set U. Draw the Venn diagram for the following. First one is A union B. Second question A intersection B. Third question A intersection B the whole dash. This is the Venn diagram you have to draw. This is union and this is A and this is B. Like that you have to do all for the Venn diagram A and B. And U, this is universal set, and A set, this is B set. First one you have to draw the Venn diagram for A union B. This is A and this is B. We have to combine these two sets, that is A union B. So draw the Venn diagram for, you have to shadow this A union B. Like this you have to shade. This is the shaded region for, you have to represent A union B. Understand? Next one, A intersection B. You have to draw the Venn diagram for A intersection B. What is intersection? The common part for A and B is called the intersection part. So which one is common for A and B? This part. So you have to share this common part A intersection B. This representation is A intersection B. Okay. Next third one, A intersection B the whole dash. A intersection B the whole dash. So except this A intersection part is this part. Except this part, the remaining parts in the union, that is A intersection B the whole dash. So you have to shadow for this all except this this intersection part, you have leave it that one and have to shade it for other remaining parts. Except this part, you have to shaded other parts is called A intersection B the whole dash. Can you understand, students? And then next one, B difference A the whole dash. So now we have to draw the first one of bracket B difference A. First you have to draw for Venn diagram for B difference A, and then you have to draw for B difference A the whole dash. So first you have to represent B difference A. This is A set and this is B set. This is union and A, this is B. First you have to represent in the bracket. So B minus A you have to represent first. So this is B, A. You have to take the common part for these two terms. This term is common part. Leave this common part and accept this common part. What are the remaining parts in the B? That is first one. So you have to take remaining parts in the B. So this one is B difference A. And then you have to find out which one we have to draw. B difference A the whole dash. So accept this part. The remaining part of the other parts you have to take for B difference A the whole dash. So how to draw this? First you have to draw two sets. This is A, this is B and this is union. So accept this shaded region. The remaining parts you have to shade. So this is B. This is B difference A the whole dash. This is the shaded region for this one. And then next one, fifth Roman number, A dash union B dash. How to represent by Venn diagram? First you have to draw A dash. So first A set, this is B set. And another one you have to draw one more diagram for B dash. First you have to represent first A dash and then another diagram for B dash. This is A, this is A, this is B union, here B union, and this is for B set. You have to represent this one and another one final result A dash union B dash. First you have to draw the set using Venn diagram. We have to represent first A dash. A dash means complement of A. A dash means complement of A. So what is complement of A? Except A, the remaining terms are. So you have to shade except A. This is A. So leave this A part and accept that one. You have to shade. This is A dash. In the same way, you have to leave this B part. So that is B dash. So except B, all the remaining terms you have to shade. Except B. Don't shade the B set. This is. So first A dash and then B dash. And final result you have to represent A dash union B dash. So how to represent this one? Both. Union means combine. So this one also and this one also. So the remaining part, the common part, you don't shade this common part because these portions are here and this portion B portion are here. A portion are here. You have to combine all the one except this common part will not shared in this both set. So except that common part you have to share like this. Don't share this common part. So this is A dash union B dash. Can you understand, students? Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Let us see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.